Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Oral Health Management by Dr. Alka Khade. Today we will discuss about crooked teeth, what causes and crooked teeth and what is the treatment, how to straighten them. While in crooked teeth and misaligned teeth are very common, many children and adults have them. If the teeth are crooked and you should not feel like you have to correct them. The teeth that aren't perfectly aligned are unique to you and can add personality and charm to your smile. However, if you are unhappy with the way your teeth look or it gives you any health issue or any speech issue, you can have them corrected or realigned. Many models successfully flaunt not so perfect teeth. In Japan, slightly crooked teeth are desired attribute thought to enhance attractiveness, especially women. Issue caused by crooked teeth. In some instances, crooked teeth can affect your quality of life. For example, misaligned teeth may affect your ability to chew, causing you pain every time you eat. In addition, some people may feel so self-conscious about their crooked teeth that they stop smiling or avoid social situations. Other health issue that crooked teeth may cause that includes periodontal disease, or we can say gum disease. It can be hard to clean in between crooked teeth. This can result in tooth decay and gum disease. If left untreated, gum disease can lead to periodontitis, or we can call pyorrhea, a more serious infection that can damage bone and teeth. Next is chewing and digestion. Crooked teeth can also interfere with proper chewing, which may cause indigestion. Then excess wear. Crooked teeth can also cause excess wear and tear on the teeth, gums and jaw muscles, resulting in cracked teeth, jaw strain, TM joint disorders, that is the joint that helps in opening and closing the mouth, that is called the temporomandibular joint. Now the question asked by the patient, should crooked teeth be straightened? Yes. The decision to straighten crooked teeth is a personal one. For many, a lack of funds or dental health insurance may affect a decision to straighten teeth. Health issue may also factor into a decision. If your crooked teeth may you feel self-conscious, that may also be a reason to straighten them. But remember, imperfect teeth can be memorable and unique. Now we'll see the different options to straightening the teeth. If you have decided that straightening your teeth is the right choice for you, there are several alternatives you can discuss with a dentist or orthodontist. Braces are a great options for people of any age, provided that their teeth and gums are strong enough to hold them. Braces may be an especially good choice for children who will have malleable, flexible gums and bone tissue. Treatment can take anywhere between 2 to 3 years, depending on the type of braces you choose and what you need to have done. Metal braces are attached to the teeth are the great options with brackets, bands and flexible wire. These braces may be better choice for someone with more complex dental alignment issue. Now, what should patient expect when he came to the dentist or orthodontist? Your dentist may recommend that you see a specialist called an orthodontist. Your mouth, teeth and jaw will be examined and your bite assessed. Your dentist will want to know about your symptoms, including any popping sounds that you hear when opening or closing your mouth and any physical discomfort you have while chewing or at other time. X-ray of your mouth will be taken and mold of your teeth will be made. If you need braces, they will be custom made for you and put on at a later appointment. This was the ortho crooked teeth patient visited to our dental office 2 years back. Her age was 29. You can view in the picture, due to the lack of space, we have to remove her posterior teeth, that is the first premolar. That gap will be closed later. See the final result of hers. So don't get afraid about extraction if your dentist or orthodontist suggests you, because best is going to happen. Something we have to compromise to for better result. So friends, takeaway key is, if you are having any crooked teeth or misaligned teeth, you have to correct them by the orthodontist. For that purpose, you have to visit your dentist. He is the right person to guide you. See you soon with the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Thank you.